This video got almost 500 views on a channel with only 100 subscribers in a week. What's up, my name is Jona and I want to become a YouTuber. I have 3 channels, one with 5k, one with 10k, and then this one that I'm growing right now. So I'm extremely passionate about this and I want to share some of my tips to you guys. This is actually an awesome tip because sometimes you don't have to work harder, you have to work smarter. You're not gonna make more videos, but you're actually gonna make more views. Now, how are we going to do that? Let's jump in the computer and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to dive into our YouTube analytics. We click on YouTube Studio, we go to content, and then for example, I already know which video it is. So I see here in the video that the analytics are quite bad with the reach. If I look at the reach and the impressions click-through rate, it's horrible. It's like under 1%, but the impressions are actually quite good. That's 1.5k. So that means that 1,500 people had the chance to click this video, but only 1% did, which is like bad because potentially this video could have gotten 1,500 views. Now, if I look at the engagement and I see that the average view duration was 5 minutes 30, that's 43%. It has a 100% like ratio. So actually people like the video. When people watch it, they do enjoy the video. So this is what I actually recommend doing once a month. For example, you just go through your videos, you check the click-through rate that you have, and all the videos that are doing horrible, you change the thumbnails. So you don't have to make another video. You actually have to make that people end up on the videos you already have out there on your channel. Now, how do I do that? How do I change the thumbnail? I'll show you now. This video is about the stock market and saving money at the same time. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna type in, for example, 0 to 10k in stocks. I'm going to filter on upload date this year. And what I actually want to do now is find other videos that are kind of similar as mine and that do seem to be performing very well. So I look at the videos that have the most views. Now I only don't do that, I also click on the video and watch the channel. Because for example, if a video has 500,000 views, but the channel is like 2 million subscribers, that might be kind of just a normal performing video. Now, if a video has 500,000 views and the person has 10,000 subscribers, then obviously something great is happening there. And then I might try to recreate, for example, that thumbnail, because the thumbnail might be one of the reasons why that video is performing so well. So I'm gonna browse right now a little bit, get some inspiration for a thumbnail that might work better than the one that I have right now, so I can up my click-through rate. I searched a lot of free PNGs and I was actually looking for something clean, something that shows that this is gonna be a decent video, because it's about money, and I went with this thumbnail now. So I'm going to change the thumbnail, then in a month or so I'll come back to this video, check the impressions and click-through rate, and then hopefully I will see that the click-through rate went up, and then my same video that I already made is actually now generating me views instead of doing nothing and me just making another video, which is way more work than just changing the thumbnail. Sometimes this is all about experimenting a little bit because you never really 100% know how a thumbnail will perform. So experiment and you will kind of see what works and what not after a while. I hope you enjoyed this video. I genuinely want to help you. I want to become a YouTuber this year. I hope you will also succeed in your goals. Like and subscribe for more fun videos and more videos like this on how to grow on YouTube, make money online, etc. Jona out. See you in the next one. Good luck.